how to disable YouTube short permanently. So for that process, you will have to firstly open your Play Store or App Store and make sure that you have updated the YouTube latest version on your system, like it has been updated to the latest version. So now simply open the YouTube, and now YouTube is showing shorts here. So if you want to disable it permanently, so you will have to click on three lines just at the top right corner of that short. So you have to click on three lines here, and you have to click on this not interested option. So simply you have to do this on all videos, like on this all shorts. Okay. So after doing this, you will have to refresh your YouTube, and now it's done. So if you want to watch the short after disabling it, so you can only watch that by searching shorts on the source feed. So likewise this, you can also disable the YouTube short permanently. So by doing this, if trick is not working yet, so you will have to do one option here. So simply you have to go to the YouTube app info, and here you have to go for the storage, and here you have to clear the data and cache of the YouTube, and now your problem might be solved. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more short tech